avocado could be. Let's cook. These are street tacos. Just made with some fairly easy stuff to do. Uh-oh. I don't even think that turns on. There we go. We have short rib, cut sideways, it's like Wagyu, cilantro, white onion, tortillas, and 7-layer blend from Taco Bell. Sometimes they screw these on so tight you can't tell which way they're wound. Here's my cook set for the hijet. I do keep those in there just for fun. All the camping gear. Oh, I'm so envious of your hijet. I just saw your new video where you're with the hijet camper dealer. Oh my goodness. That's what I want to do with this thing. I'm trying to find a slide in like that. And I've been on the websites trying to track one down used and have it shipped over to the United States, because that just looks like too much fun. Tents can be a bit uncomfortable, and if I want to stay in a tent during the winter, I have to run my generator. Right there have the 800 watt and the 75 watt solar. I never even looked at that. Oh, yeah, sure. Put that in my pocket. It's very similar to something I saw you cook on your channel the other night. This is all stuff that you can just stop off at the grocery store and not have to do much prep work on. Maybe two. I don't know if you've seen cook sets like this, but I like mine. careful. I won't lose it, but yeah, there you go. And in the very bottom it has a drying rack and a cutting board. And the lid is useful as a strainer too, which I like. And those are done. Whoop. 5-second rule. I just washed the hijet the other day. I'm not worried about it. Then you just give the tortillas a quick warm. Oh yes. Very good, very good. Look at that. That fatty beef. Make sure I don't lose my dinner here. Then white onion. Ah, yeah. So there you have it, Goofy. Easy as can be. Taco Bell. Ah, yes. So street taco. Very good.